In today's video, I'll teach you how to enable Whatnot Rewards Club notification. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Whatnot application. You can see over here Whatnot application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. So first of all, what you have to do is tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your account interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find this option for notifications and tap on it. Now you'll be able to access the notification settings. Out of these options, what you have to do is simply scroll down and find this option for Rewards Club. Once you do that, tap on it. Now you'll be able to manage the notification of Rewards Club. You'll be able to find this option for push notification over here. Make sure to toggle on this button. Likewise, if you want the in-app notifications too, toggle on the button right next to the option in-app notifications. After you do that, the Rewards Club notification will be turned on. So that is how you enable Whatnot Rewards Club notification. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.